this lockdown, do you wish to utilize your time and make money? In this video, I'm going to share insane ideas to channelize YouTube views to money. 2 million people log on to YouTube every month, and content is filled with knowledge, humor, entertainment, and whatnot. It has become a source of income for many people across the globe. Now, how will you channelize YouTube views to money? First, you must decide about your content. You will be known by your content. So go for something you genuinely like. Once you know what content you are going to work on, it is time to register on YouTube. Now the question is how to create your channel on YouTube. It is very simple. Sign into your YouTube account using Google account and then click on the user icon on the top right of the screen. Click on gear icon to get to your YouTube settings and click on create a new channel. Choose use a business or other name and then add your brand name and click to create. You will have to work on increasing the traffic, and that is only possible if you know how to grow your content. Now build your content around a single theme and it will be a huge positive for your channel. This will give you your target audience. If you choose to make a YouTube channel which guides students, say for UPSC exam, then start making content which you feel is relevant for your audience. Since you're building content around UPSC, you will get audience interested in this domain. Make thumbnails because thumbnails can break or make your deal. Having a good thumbnail will attract more traffic on your channel. Build a catchy thumbnail using Adobe Photoshop or some online tools. Video upload frequency should be good. Post around 2 to 3 videos per week depending on the nature of your content. Frequent posting will give you repetitive traffic and your channel will slowly start growing. When your channel gets popular and you start getting traffic, then you start earning money. The requirement for monetization is to have at least 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel. You should have at least 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months. And your channel content must follow YouTube guidelines and policies. Now once your channel meets these requirements, you can register for YouTube Partner Program. To sign up for YouTube Partner Program, just sign into your YouTube account and click on your profile picture on the top right corner. Click on YouTube Studio and click Monetization on the left menu. If you meet the threshold, then click Start on the Review Partner Program Terms card. In order to receive the payments, you need to have an AdSense account. If you already have an AdSense account, you can use the account which is approved. If you don't have an AdSense account, then you can follow the steps to create an AdSense account for you. Visit AdSense website and click on Sign Up Now. Enter the URL of your site for which you want to activate the AdSense account. Enter your email address, click Save and Continue, and sign into your Google account. Select your country, accept the terms and conditions of AdSense account, and click to Create Account. You will be then signed into your new AdSense account. After creating your AdSense account, you need to activate it to show ads on your channel and start earning money. There are 3 simple steps. Connect your site with AdSense, then enter your payments address detail and verify your phone number. YouTube will review and make sure that your account meets the requirements. This process usually takes a few days. And after this, you can set up ads on your channel and start receiving payments. YouTube earnings can be done by primarily focusing on making great content. So try to make interactive videos and make the learning interesting. So how does YouTube work? Just like any social media, YouTube works according to number of views and likes. More people spend time on your videos, more your video is likely to appear on the suggestions and more likely it is to get views. Now, there are a lot of ways through which you can earn money through YouTube. Now, advertising revenue is a very good option. In this, you earn money through the ads played before and in between the video, and companies will pay you for their ads. YouTube will take a certain percentage of your revenue which you will earn through advertising. Usually 40% it takes away. So in order to get this benefit, you should be minimum 18 years old. Another avenue is channel membership. Now your subscribers will do recurring monthly payments in exchange for some special perks you offer. You must be minimum 18 years old and must have minimum 30,000 subscribers. You must have seen a join button on YouTube. That is how subscribers join the community and they get some special perks offered by that particular YouTuber. You can sell merchandise. For that, you should be 18 years old and have at least 10,000 subscribers. You can sell t-shirts, mugs, etc. below the video, and people can buy that merchandise, and for every purchase they make, you earn money. You can use super chat and super sticker. This feature is mainly used by live streamers. Your fans will pay you to highlight their chat on the stream, and your fan can pay you any amount. You have to be 18 years old. Another avenue to make money is YouTube Premium revenue. YouTube will pay you a subscription fee according to your watch time. YouTube will directly pay you money in this. There is no exact amount which you get per views. On an average, you can earn $0.18 per view. You can also get paid by cost per click. So you will get paid when someone clicks on your ads. It varies from country to country as YouTube is a global platform. So your video will get a global exposure. So if someone from Europe clicks on content, then you will get paid according to the prices of Europe. Another avenue is sponsorships. Many companies will pay you to promote their product directly on your YouTube channel. They will directly contact you and you can set up your charges according to your subscribers. Once they pay you, you have to promote that product. Sometimes they make a deal for more than one video. Next option is affiliate marketing. You can promote the products of various companies and earn through affiliate marketing. If you open the description box of the videos, you can often find links of various products. When you click on it, you will be directed to a website through which you can buy the product, and YouTuber will get paid by the company in the form of commission. Using YouTube to earn from other platforms is another very easy hack. Once you start gaining traffic, you can divert the traffic to other platforms like your Instagram handle and blogs. Many YouTubers also write blogs and they divert the traffic from YouTube to grow their blogs too. If you already have traffic on your YouTube channel which is interested in this topic, then you can easily promote your blogs and there are more chances that they will go and read your blogs. Now, the question is, what is the potential of YouTube? YouTube has great potential to become your full-time career. There are many YouTubers who have done so. Everyone knows about the YouTube legend Mr. Felix Arvid, who is popularly known as PewDiePie with more than 103 million subscribers. He started as a gaming channel. You must have heard of an online learning platform called Unacademy. It was started as a YouTube channel and now it has grown into a full-fledged company. They still have a YouTube channel which is running very actively. Now you may have a question, does YouTube have anything else to offer? YouTube organizes YouTube Fan Fest every year for its top YouTubers, where they get a chance to interact with their fans. YouTube has a special way to reward the YouTubers for their achievements by giving them YouTube play buttons. So if you surpass 1 lakh subscribers on YouTube, then you will be awarded with Silver Creator Award. If you surpass 1 million subscribers, then you will be awarded Gold Creator Award. And if you surpass 50 million subscribers, then you will be awarded with Custom Creator Award, also known as Ruby Play Button. If you surpass 100 million subscribers, then you will be given Red Diamond Creator Award. Now, what other YouTubers have to say? In many interviews, YouTubers say that they should never start a YouTube channel for money. If your only motive to start a channel is earning money, then the chances are that you may fail miserably. You have to understand that being a YouTuber requires a lot of time and patience because it takes time to grow and build a base. If you like these tips, then give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.